Ahoy sailors, welcome to my little shed where I'm doing some service on my oil stove. It's a Refleks M66 oil stove, and now and then it needs to be cleaned and have a checkup. It's a really easy stove to dismantle on the boat. It's just two screws holding it. Down here there's a hole here and a tube connection for the diesel oil, and that's it. Then you can dismantle it, and then you take off the top here, and you can dig down and take out this thing here for cleaning. And if you look down in the bottom, there can be soot that needs to be cleaned, and there's a cleaning stick. You can see the tip of it, the metal stick. It needs to go really smoothly in and out. There's this one. So now it's a little stuck because of the soot. So I'm gonna clean this. I'm just using a screwdriver and that's just scratching all the black stuff out of it. That's it. On the side of the stove there's an oil regulator, and it needs to be cleaned as well. So I unscrewed this one and then can just take it off. That's it. Now I loosen these 4 screws here. Then I can take off the top lid. Like that. You see the inside of it. In here there's 3 screws that you can loosen, and then you can take the swimmer out. Now the 3 screws are loosened, and then you can lift the swimmer and then get to the lowest part of the regulator and clean it. It can be built up of dirt and water in there, and that especially water can make the stove to stop working. And dirt, of course, also it can plug the tubes. So actually I'm just wiping out the oil and all the dirt that can be down there. And that's it. I don't do any adjustment. I don't move these feathers down there. These feathers are really important for how the stove is working, so we don't want to mess with that stuff. Then notice there's an adjustment here and another one here, and they are used for adjusting how much oil the regulator can fill into the oven. This is for the high level and this is for the low level. Normally I don't adjust them, but I will show how I'm checking if the flow of the oil is at the correct. The next thing is to clean the filter, which is placed down here. Just 2 screws. When you have oil in the house, now the filter is open, and then you can with your fingers take out the filter and clean it. You can see there's some dirt in there, and give it a good cleaning with a towel or whatever you can use, and then just put it back again.